Today, I'm going to show you how to pick the right dock for your waterfront. Depending on what you have for a waterfront, if you have a sandy waterfront, a rubbly rock waterfront, or you just have solid rock, that's going to determine which choice you make on how to affix to your waterfront. You may need a floating dock, there's the crib dock, there's the pile-driven steel dock, there's a cantilever dock system, there's also boat lifts, winches that'll take your boat right on up out of the water. Waves and weather is one of the biggest things to consider and how they affect you. If you're in a calm bay, a simple ramp with a floater is more than sufficient. If your dock is out in the open, a cantilevered system in that case is great because then you actually have nothing in the water. The key is to choose the dock which is going to give you the longest lifespan for your waterfront situation. And there you are. That's how you pick the perfect dock for your waterfront.